Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Gear Up Chale on Quincy Tech Space. And today we are going to unbox, bang, Apple TV 4K. Now, if you follow me on this channel, you will remember that I did unbox the Apple TV 4K. And yes, I am unboxing another one because it's one of the best streaming boxes out there. I've been using an Apple TV, and I've been using the Android TV as well. But you know what? I prefer the Apple TV 4K. So yeah, this is another one. Now you only get two sizes. I think you get the 64 gig and then 128 gig, Wi-Fi and Ethernet, but you also get a Wi-Fi alone. So there's no longer the 32 gig that you saw me unboxing on the channel before, which you can see around. If you go through the video, you will see that if you want to check that one out too. So today is just an unboxing because I've already unboxed this, and I've done in-depth review of the Apple TV. It's my favorite streaming box. I recommend it any day, anytime. Should you get an Apple TV box if you already have a smart TV? Because smart TV you already have the application that comes with it, Apple TV app that comes with it. It's not the same like the Apple TV 4K, the dedicated box. So yes, I would definitely recommend that if you have a smart TV, definitely you still have to go ahead and get an Apple TV 4K if it's in your budget to get it. That's what I would say. If it's not, you can stick with the one that comes with your TV. It's all good. But for me, what works best for me is a dedicated Apple TV box. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so now the unboxing is very easy with Apple devices. Now you just it comes with this pull tab here. You just pull that, then you pull the one here as well. Move that out of the way so we can unbox it now. Now the thing is that the orientation of on the box with all Apple devices now is how the devices lay out inside the box. So that's a shocker. Well, okay, so it doesn't apply to, probably maybe it's underneath this, right? Okay, so that's what you get in the box. The Apple TV. Ooh, whoa. And this thing is very light compared to the one that I unboxed before. This is very light. Okay, so let's put it on the side. Let's continue here. Like I said, the orientation is the same. It's just this one showed that the remote control is on the top and the TV is on the bottom, but it's the other way around. Anyway, what do we have here? You don't want to come out of the box, G. There you go. You get your power cable. And what I love about Apple for the Apple TV, as small as this device is, the power, it doesn't come with an external power brick because it is built already in here, and it just comes with a cable, and I love that. If you're in the EU, again, you get the EU plug, but if you are in other market, the UK, or you are in North America, you're gonna get a North American plug. So that's what it comes with. The EU, I'm in the EU, so that's what it get. That's what I get. There you go. Right before I take that out, let's check if there's anything else here. Okay, this is just an empty box. Come with your usual manual with all languages that you want to read at. Seems that doesn't come with a sticker, or it doesn't come with a sticker. The previous one that I unboxed comes with a sticker. Anyway, you can stick that on your car or any of your devices if you're an Apple fanboy. Right, so let's get that out of the way. So that's what we get in the box. Cable, remote control, and Apple TV. So box this guy here. Ooh. Now the remote is the same remote like the previous generation. It is the same remote here. Oh, this time is a USB-C. It's not your slow lightning port, it's a USB-C. Again, thank you European Union. You don't force Apple to give us USB-C. Android had USB-C a long time ago. Yeah, all devices had USB-C a long time ago, and even that iPad Pro that I use have a USB-C. So I don't see the reason why Apple didn't want us to give us the USB-C all this time, except for profit. If you want to make a Lightning cable, you have to get a license from Apple. Yeah, any Lightning compatible accessories that you want to make, you have to get a license from Apple, and Apple was making a lot of money from this. So licenses, so that's the reason why they refused to give us that. But anyway, I can go on ranting, but we're happy now, we got it now. Anyway, so that's your remote control, is the same thing. So you got a rocket right here, you got your volume up and down, your mute button, you play, and yeah, to the home button, and also go back, and your power button on and on. IR receiver, bam, that's what you get. Same remote. Okay, get the cable out of the way. It's my favorite remote. I love this remote. Oof. Ooh. Always feel good when I unbox Apple devices, especially the Apple TV, because when I'm moving here, it just feels so good. But yeah, there you go. And if you can see, but your power input, Ethernet, and then HDMI out. That's it. Oh, okay. One more. That is satisfying. Oof, feels so good, man. I can do that all day, any day, anytime. Anyway, so yeah, that's what you get. It's a smaller one compared to the one I unboxed before. This is much more smaller. The footprint is very small. I like that. It's very small, so I can tag it in anywhere, you know, and you don't see. So that's what you get. Apple TV remote, the power. So should you get an Apple TV, like I said, definitely for me it is a go. I would definitely get an Apple TV any day, anytime for my smart TV. I'll definitely get that because it makes streaming very simple, very easy, and I have some application that I love to run on the Apple TV. So definitely that's the reason why I got me another one. So yeah, this is what comes in the box right there. Anyway, guys, thanks again for joining me today on another episode of Gap Chale on Quincy Tech Space. Again, like I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out.